Let's talk about your Revel refrigerator. It's pretty simple. There's not a lot to mess up here or to be concerned with, but there's a couple of things. The first is we have a little travel latch here. When we're on rough roads, or really anytime we're driving, we want to make sure that this is latched over the front of the door. This just keeps it from accidentally opening. To open it though, I'm going to slide this to the right. There's a nice little handle here. I'm going to lift up and pull. On the top of our fridge, we have a little flap door. This is our little freezer compartment. This is great for ice cream and other things. Then right below the freezer, we'll look in here and we'll see about halfway down, we're gonna see a knob and it says cooler and it has some numbers on it. This lets you set the temperature or how cold it's gonna be in your fridge. We have found that on the 5 setting, it seems to be about perfect for us. But you should experiment with this knob and find the perfect temperature for you and how you like to keep your foods. We have 2 racks. They're secured in to keep them from rattling as you're driving on rough roads in your Revel. Other than that, we want to just shut the door, secure our latch, and we're ready to go.